Hey there, today we're going to talk about equity. So as a seller looking to sell and purchase another property, do you know you can leverage your equity when selling your home? That's right. Well, I'm Jennifer Bright with Bright Homes, and one of the key benefits of being a homeowner is that you build equity over time in your home. So what is equity and how does it grow? Well, according to Bankrate, and I quote, home equity is the portion of your home you've paid off. In other words, your stake in the property as opposed to the lender's. It is appraised value of your home minus outstanding mortgage and loan balances. Chances are, if you've been in your home for a while, you've likely built up a considerable amount of equity and may not realize how much. According to the U.S. Census Bureau, roughly 30% of homeowners have over 50% equity in their home. The equity you have built up can be used to finance a portion of your next home and put you in a stronger position to purchase. If you're a homeowner considering selling, let's connect today so we can find out how much equity you may have to leverage your next move. Again, I'm Jennifer Bright with Bright Homes. It's the bright way to find your perfect home.